Okay, I'm going to do 2016 gearing part C. Now, just because you've answered gearing in part B doesn't mean you can't use the same notes to help you answer the gearing here in part C. I think that's why a lot of students went down in this. But this is more about explaining it. So again, let's have a look at it. Gearing measures how you are financed in the long term. If you think of your gearing in the balance sheet, we look at the finance by section in the balance sheet. Finance by is all about long term. So gearing looks at how the money, where you got your money from in the long term. It measures the relationship, that word is relationship, between your debt capital, the money that you borrowed, and the equity capital, the money that you put in yourself. And it might do these two as a ratio, or it might look at it as a total of capital employed. So debt capital is debentures plus your preference. Your equity capital is the money the owners put in. It's ordinary shares plus reserves. And capital employed is two of these added together. So the ratio we use, it's debt capital over capital employed multiplied by 100 over 1, which is really, it's your gearing ratio. Less than 50%, we would say you're lowly geared. That's desirable, that's what you want. And greater than 50% means you're highly geared. Now the next question says, what is the benefits of being lowly geared? So just remember here what lowly geared means. Lowly geared means most of your money came from the owners, not from borrowing. So what's an advantage of that? It means you should have low interest payments. If you don't have to waste your money paying interest, or the interest payments are low, it means your money is available for the directors to decide to build up your savings or put money somewhere else. If there's not a lot of interest payments, it means there's more money available for your shareholders. They're going to get a good, or at least a decent dividend. You know, when you do part B as a debenture holder, we always look at the gearing and we want them to be lowly geared so that we'd give them a loan. So obviously it helps you to get additional loan finance. And again, you're going to find in part C, they're using that word liquidation a lot, and you're going to see it in the next few slides that I'm going to do when it came up again. So there's less risk of liquidation because you're not making as much interest payments. How do you say if your gearing is too high? So let's look back over here. Say these are too high compared to these. So you want to get these bigger and these smaller. Well, how can you get this smaller? Pay it back. So pay back your loans. How can you get this bigger? Increase your profits and sell more shares. So sell ordinary shares, pay back your loans, and increase your reserves. Okay.